සරල ඉංග්‍රීසි වාක්‍ය 15ක්. How is your brother now? ඔයාගේ අයියට දැන් කොහොමද? How is your brother now? I have an exam tomorrow. මට හෙට විභාගයක් තියෙනවා. I have an exam tomorrow. Which teacher was in hospital? රෝහලේ හිටියේ කොයි ගුරුවරයාද? Which teacher was in hospital? Was there a book on this table? මේ මේසෙ උඩ පොතක් තිබුණද? Was there a book on this table? According to my mind. මා සිතන ආකාරය අනුව. According to my mind. It's invaluable. ඒක මිල කරන්න බැහැ. It's invaluable. We haven't dogs. අපිට බල්ලෝ නැහැ. We haven't dogs. Feel the difference. වෙනස අත්විඳින්න. Feel the difference. This is the initial stage. මේක තමයි පළමු පියවර. This is the initial stage. Never mention it again. ඒක ආපහු මතක් කරන්න එපා. Never mention it again. I don't even think about that. මම ඒ ගැන හිතලවත් නැහැ. I don't even think about that. Until further notice. නැවත දැනුම් දෙනතුරු. Until further notice. Will you be going to කතරගම this time? ඔයා මේ සැරේ කතරගම යනවද? Will you be going to කතරගම this time? When I went to the railway station, the train had gone. මම දුම්රියපොළට යද්දි කෝච්චිය ගිහිල්ලා. When I went to the railway station, the train had gone. Who is your best friend? කවුද ඔයාගේ හොඳම යාළුවා? Who is your best friend? Thank you.